This is Michael with Tech Academy.
Hey.
Today I'm visiting with Michael. He is a direct client package customer. He actually bought the package right at a year ago and has been doing really well with it. I think it's more beneficial to hear from a tech that's actually bought the product and used it and benefited from it. So, Michael, welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate that, Michael. That's kind of you. And yeah, I do recall that this is the 1 year anniversary of me getting this. I started my company 1 year ago around the same time. So I'm definitely glad to be able to come on here and discuss things and help people make a proper judgment.
So, tell me what led you to the point of, where you were at a year ago and what problem were you trying to solve when you found the direct client package?
Well, it was mostly a problem of employment. Like I was working for somebody else in the same industry, and I didn't really understand things until I worked for him for a few months. And then I had some questions. Luckily, I found your videos, and they answered a bunch of my questions. And being able to have your videos and have your list helped me understand that I could really put matters into my own hands and create a good business model and a business system for myself to be able to do work like this, because my work was fun. It was just the way I had to do it wasn't fun. And your list and this website, Tech Academy, really helped me get along with that.
Well, great. So one of the things that a lot of techs, when they send me messages or emails, and it's a normal, understandable question, their concern is this a scam?
Yes, I completely understand, because I had that
Yeah,
same thought process. Like, man,
exactly. And
I don't
everybody
know if I'm gonna
does.
get ripped off here. Everybody will have
Right.
that thought. Like, it's a large amount of money, but I understand going through the
Yeah.
process and everything. So I'm
Yeah.
glad to be able to tell
Okay.
others, because that's what really helped me. It's helped me is the testimonials from other people. So I'm hoping to be able to give
Oh,
that
cool.
and hopefully pay for it. And somebody else will watch me and you discussing this and go, okay, this might work out because it worked out for me. It'll work out
Yeah.
for you.
So what helped you on the front end to feel comfortable spending money on a package like this from some guy you'd never heard of off the internet?
Yeah, definitely. It was very random, and discovering the idea and thought of a list made it very curious. But then I saw the price tag and went, wait a minute, I need to really think about this. So I ended up having discussions with a lot of family and friends and other people that I already knew that were IT tech savvy on the idea of possibly, finding the way to pay for this list and then getting the information that was entailed within it was thought provoking and took a good bit of time. And it's a personal decision, truly, at the end of the day. But I feel like after going through my own research and understanding and watching a few more of your YouTube videos, like I was saying, it really helps people, especially me, when I was sitting there thinking, this could be a scam. I really had that thought process. So understanding that you really understood the business and wanted to help people, even like the tools kit video that where you show the van layout that's free, and I really appreciate that. That's helped me understand how to organize my equipment so that way I could be able to do my job more efficiently. And that really helped me understand maybe this guy is serious and maybe this list is a good thing. And I was glad to be able to have the opportunity to take the plunge, and it's been a blessing ever since.
And that's been my philosophy, is to give away as much free information and do a lot of the videos that I could do on the YouTube channel to genuinely help techs. Maybe techs aren't ready to buy the package, but at least by watching my videos, they can get better. They can get more work. They can be better on Field Nation and Work Market and those things that we all already know about. And then that would give them the ability and the confidence to move forward to getting a package deal.
Yes, I completely agree with that, especially with the Field Nation. I really do appreciate your YouTube videos, because watching, like, I was trying to, like, what else does this guy have? And then I noticed the van layout list and the toolbox layouts, and that was like only a few dollars, and I actually purchased that. That really helped me understand that you really are serious about this industry, understand this industry, and have really good ideas that will help other technicians excel and succeed. And after this year, I definitely do believe that you really helped me also with getting more connections in Field Nation with your expertise and experience in the field. It was really refreshing to take the plunge. It just took some time and some thought process. So I recommend to everybody, think about it, talk about it with some people that you trust. Watch some of his YouTube videos. There's a lot of them. He goes through all kinds of subjects and he goes through different things. And watching him explain like how to make a Field Nation account, for example, really helped me understand that he understands the business. Definitely do the research and then make the judgment yourself. But I made the judgment, and I really do I feel like I made the correct call. I've made that money back in more like last year, easily.
Well, thanks, Michael. And that's kind of the idea behind the YouTube channel, is to offer a lot of information for free, to try to do things that will genuinely benefit technicians. Like you said, I try to teach all the little details about Field Nation that I've learned since 2010. I mean, that's 15 years at this point. And to learn about work market and just my general philosophy, because I knew if I could offer real value in those free videos, number one, it would help people. And if that was all it was, then that's fine. But I also knew that that would help people to understand that, getting into the direct client package would be a legitimate and helpful thing for them. So let's talk some specifics about you. So you obviously bought the package about a year ago. On the front end, there's a lot of work. You got to sign up with all these clients and fill out all this paperwork. Kind of
You're
walk,
right.
yeah, yeah. And it's a pain in the butt. I mean, this isn't an easy thing. This isn't just buy a list and instantly start making money. It's real work. You have to go through the process to go get your general liability insurance and
Yep, gotta
send
get
the
the
information to
insurance.
all these clients. And so, kind of walk through how you approach that and how that worked for you.
Definitely, you helped with the amount of information. I signed myself up for a lot of these people, and I didn't sign myself up for everybody, to be honest with you. Probably like half of the list, and some people, like some of the websites are more effective than others. But there are some companies that a couple of these people on this list are the main reason why I am able to make the income that I am. Without this list, I don't think I would be as successful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not one bit. This list has really made me successful when it comes to getting direct clients and getting a connection with that client. If I didn't know about the information, I'd still be in the dark. I'd still be swimming with the sharks, if you will.
And that's something I think a lot of guys struggle with is they get on Field Nation and it's a great platform, it's a great concept, but it has a lot of competition
Yes, it
and
does.
it's hard to stand out, it's hard to develop relationships. So kind of tell me a little bit about your experience from what you did with Field Nation versus now doing both, because I always advocate take work from wherever you can get it. So I still
Mm-hmm.
do Field Nation work, I still do work market work, but I also do the direct client thing. And so kind of talk about how that's worked for you in your situation, working with Field Nation, work market, and the direct clients.
Yeah, it really helps fill the gaps because there are some weeks where you're just not going to get any work from certain clients. It was like a few months where I didn't get work from a specific client, but I found work through the other clients. So it really helps fill the gaps. And then now that I'm getting more business, I'm pretty much working every day where I was working like 2 3 days. Now that I've established that relationship with those clients and they trust me a bit more with these jobs, I'm actually the preferred technician for one of the clients in the area that I am. And that's what I would say to anybody who looks at this list because there's a lot of, you're just, whoa, there's so much going on here.
That's one of the things of why in the list, when you buy the list, I have a priority set up in the spreadsheet to say, okay, these are number ones. You want to go for these first. That way, when you buy the list or a person buys the list, then they know, okay, I should go for these first. These are the low hanging fruit, if you will. They're the
Mm-hmm.
easiest to sign up with, or they're going to give you the most work. I'm trying to basically get you off and running as fast as possible. So that's awesome that you did that. You kind of broke it down because signing up for 40 or 50 clients is a lot of work. So it's good to at least start with certain ones, and that way you get running and start making money, and then you can go after, and continue on and do the rest of them.
Yeah, because I wouldn't look at this as just buying the list. You're buying a bunch of job applications, basically. That's the way I
Yeah.
look at it. Because I was just feeling, I'm like, oh, wow, I'm like filling out a job application. I even did an interview with some of them, which I think you did actually talk to some people about.
Cloudwork Pro,
Yeah,
that's one that's,
yeah,
yeah.
that's the one. That's the one that it's like you do an actual interview. You still have to go through the vetting process because they really care about the quality. You definitely go through a lot more than just buying lists and just okay, just slap it together. You definitely want to take. You're going to have to take time and ability and care and then do some extra things as well. I'm glad that you're able to help explain how everything works, so that way people can, like you said, get off the ground and running.
And that's the other thing is, like Michael said, what you're getting is a full package where I'm actually giving you access to a shared drive, and you're going to have some specific videos, that are only available to direct client package customers, and that kind of goes through and explains more about each of those clients and their processes. And there's additional paperwork. And plus, we've got a community where I email out anytime, like even last week, I had heard about a client that was struggling. And to me, that's a yellow flag. And so I've been in this industry for 25 years. I've seen yellow flags turn into red flags, and sometimes yellow flags don't ever turn into anything. But I emailed everybody in the list and said, hey, this particular client, I'm hearing little rumors that something's going on. So I would be cautious about using this client right now. And like you said, with the whole filling the gaps thing, that is so huge because a lot of guys struggle with that. I can get a few jobs a week, but I just can't get enough to make a living. And by having so many different clients, one client you might not hear from except maybe once a quarter, but it might be that week that you need a job. And sometimes their once a quarter jobs are $1,000 jobs. So, it's great, even
Yeah,
though it's
yeah.
hit and miss. And so it's just having so many different ones. I literally turn down more work than I accept.
I've noticed that these things come in waves. You'll be dry for a month, and then all of a sudden, whoosh, here's 5, 10 jobs for the whole week. Oh, hopefully you can get them all in on time. You'll be doing 2 jobs a day, and 3 jobs a day sometimes, even if you're really lucky. I definitely do think that this is a good idea for anybody who really have any doubts or anything. I want to reassure you, this is a good idea. If you really want to get into the IT tech, field tech industry, and you want to be out there, running cable lines, doing site surveys, helping people do refreshes and decommissions, 100% glad I purchased this. I've made my money back times over. I'm just so happy that this has worked out. I feel like I'm on the pathway to success because of this package, and I appreciate this very much, Michael. This is very nice of you to be able to lay it all on the line, all the years of experience you have and the knowledge you have too. That's the best thing, is the support system that you built, to where we had this almost like a sort of IT field tech community. The emails really do help, like you were talking about earlier. I do appreciate those as well. So this package is worth the money. I'm just going to tell
Um,
everybody right now, that's how I feel.
and it's important to me to know that because I want to help people. I don't want to sell something that doesn't help people. I genuinely 100% believe that if you can do the work and you have the drive to go after jobs and to perform and all that, I know you can make your money back very quickly and more times over and make your life better as an IT field tech. So it's
Yeah.
awesome to see a real life person that's experiencing that, because that was my dream when I started this 2 years ago. Was, can I take what's in my head and my experience and translate this to other people? There was nobody out there when I started. Of course, I started before YouTube and all this stuff, but even at this point, I don't really think there's anybody else out there that I've found so far that teaches this kind of stuff. I mean, there's people that'll teach you how to run a cable. There's people that teach you basic, specific tech things, but this whole general concept of how to work as an independent tech is just not out there.
To be honest, I didn't think a field like this could exist about 5 years ago. I just thought you'd like, okay, go, get out of college, go get a job, do a sit at the help desk for 5 years, and then maybe you'll work your way up in the industry. But I guess it's people. I think it's because of how much tech reliant our society has become that people like us are able to find work, which is really good because it really helps people be able to, like you said, go out there and run cable. It's very fun to be able to go out there and just build things in a tech aspect, and seeing how this field has really grown has been a real interesting thing. I do agree.
Well, Michael, just to give other people perspective, if they're looking at this list, if you don't mind, and you don't have to say specifically, but what region of the country or what city are you in generally?
I'm out of the Metro Detroit area. So I'm in Michigan mostly. I go around in that whole area of Michigan, Southwest Michigan. Sometimes I'll even go into Ohio if I really feel like it. In this area, it's definitely fun because, like I said, I've become the preferred tech in the area of the Metro Detroit area for some of my clients, which has been a real blessing.
And that's one thing I found is with the direct clients, and you can speak to this, is you develop closer relationships with these direct clients because you'll have a dispatcher that'll call you, and if you do a good job, then like you said, you become their favorite tech and they go to you first. I've struggled with Field Nation. There's a few buyers, but it's generally much more difficult to have those relationships to where a Field Nation buyer is going to give you a first crack at something. It's typically just routed out to anybody and everybody. Is that what you found?
Yeah. It can be very competitive out there for sure. If you don't get a job routed to you, it's difficult to be able to say that you'll get the job unless they like literally hand it to you. Which I've had some clients do that. But like, hey, we're going to put the job up on Field Nation, pick it up. It's like, okay, great. And I see specific clients is like, I would really like to do that job, but there's 34, 40 requests, and that's where it's like, okay, there's a lot of people out there that want to do that job. So you have to be able to be prepared to understand that you're going to have tough times. You're not going to get every single job that you want out there. From working with Field Nation, it seems like the best way to be able to get consistent work is to just have them directly send it to you, which is what I think is what happens more often than not. If they don't want it, then it goes in the request line, and then you're fighting with 30, 40 people. So that's where the direct client relationships come in.
Well, Michael, I appreciate you taking the time to visit and for being willing to do a review to help other technicians to see the value of the direct client package. And I'm excited that you've made your money back, that it's helping you to change and improve your life, because that is again the goal of this whole thing, is to actually add value to people's lives and help them to be more free, to be stronger in this industry, and to carry on and pick up from all the stuff that I've learned. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from somebody else's perspective. So I appreciate you taking the time to share to help other people to understand that.
Anytime. And I do appreciate this. This has been a great year, and I'm hoping the next year will be even more fun because it feels like it's a snowball effect. I'm just going to keep getting more and more successful throughout the years as I go along. So hopefully I'll be as awesome as you one day.
And I appreciate that. So,
Anytime,
all
Michael.
right.
We all us Michaels have got to stick together after all.
Exactly. Exactly. All right. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Be safe and be blessed, everybody. Have a good time. I wanted to do this like 6 months ago. I was so excited about doing this video. So I'm glad that we finally sat down and did it, because I'm not lying. This has really changed my life. So you're right at the end there. It's like this has completely changed my life.